Hello everybody. Welcome to your English class. I hope you all are fit and fine and sanitizing your hands properly, right? So children, in our previous class we have already learned how to use the letters or how to identify the letters with proper sound. So today we are going to do the same thing in our classwork copy. So let's start. Everybody take out your English classwork copy and here everybody put today's date 26/05/21 and then CW, that is classwork. And here on the heading you will write PUT, put, tick, or cross, put, tick or cross. Okay, so here we are going to draw some pictures and here we are going to write some letters. So let's start. So children, let me see if you can guess the first picture. Can you say what I am drawing? You have guessed it right. It's a lotus. Do you know lotus is also called the national flower of India? This is our national flower and this flower is pink in color. We can find lotus in water as well as on land. So this is a lotus. Now guess the next picture. Can you guess the name of this animal? This animal is also called the pet animal. It has a tail and 4 legs. Can you guess the name of this animal? Yes, it's a cat. It's a cat. Cat loves to eat milk and fish. So this is a cat. It has 4 legs. Okay, now let's move on to the next picture. Let me see if you can guess the next one. Can you guess the next one? Very good. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. This is the trunk of the elephant. And do you know, elephant is also called the biggest land animal. Very good. So this is an elephant. Now let's move on to the next picture. Let me see if you can guess the next one. Can you say what is this? Well done. This is a lamp. This is a lamp. We get light from this lamp. So this is a lamp. Now let's move on to the last one. Now let's see if you can guess the next picture. Can you all tell me what is this? This is a fish. Fish lives in water and this is also called an aquatic animal, right? Okay, so here we have drawn some pictures. Now on the side we will be writing some letters. So first everybody write C. This is letter C. And on the side, draw one box. Can you all tell me what is the shape of this box? Very good. This is square in shape. Now here, everybody write L. And then again draw here one box. This way we are going to write letters and then we will draw one box. Next one. Write everybody A. This is letter A. Again we will draw one box and here write C. Now the next one. Here everybody write F. Again one box. Again write here E. Then one box. Then G. Again one box. Again write L. Then one box. Here write F. One box. And here write K. Again one box. Let's color these pictures quickly. See children, here I have colored all the pictures. Remember to color the pictures only with pencil crayons, not with pastel colors, okay? Okay, so now let's move on to the first picture. This is the picture of a lotus. So, what is the beginning sound of lotus? Very good. It's L. So, L is the phonic sound of letter C. No. L. Yes. So, we are going to put tick on the box, okay? Just beside L, we will put tick. And here we are going to put cross. Now, let's move on to the next one. This is the picture of a cat. So, what is the beginning sound of cat? Very good. It's K. So, K is the phonic sound of letter A. No. C. Yes. So, we are going to put tick here and beside A, we will put cross. Okay. Now, this way you have to do the rest of the figures. This is an elephant, this is a lamb, and this is a fish. So here you have to identify the proper sound and then you will put tick and cross beside the letters. Okay.